My name is Tom Fulkerson. I'm the shop foreman here at ACCO Engineered Systems out of Glendale, California. Here at ACCO we have 3 plasma tables. We use the coil feeders on the tables to produce faster metal to our customers. The tables provide one-man operation versus multiple man operations. The sheet metal now, we load up the coils off the bridge cranes, which in turn sit into the coil feeders, and then from there it's a one-man operation on the tables. Now we have the ability to change gauges on the tables for burning material real quick. Before we had sheet stock, so a person would have to pull a sheet per gauge, and then handle it onto the table and everything, sometimes taking 2 guys to do that, which we eliminated that by having the coil feeders. Also, we have the ability to put the metal out on the floor to feed the guys faster in the shop with the coil feeders due to the fact that we're not handling all this extra material. Less scrap factor on the material now. We're not throwing sheets away using partial sheets or anything like that. With the coil feeders, we're using pretty much just about exactly what we need. Storage in the shop now with the coils is a lot easier. There's less room in the shop now that we have all the coils, which before when we had sheet stock, you had all the gauges stacked. In between the tables, you'd have 4 or 5 different stacks of metal versus now just a few coils in the feeder. It lasts a lot longer than the sheet stock does. So in terms of loading coils and getting forklifts in the shop for sheets and stuff, we don't have to go through that anymore. Safety-wise, there's actually less men being involved with material handling. Now, instead of having forklifts drive through the shop and everything, we have a crane that actually brings the coil into the feeders and produces the metal that way.